Namaste children. How are you all? Hope all are safe at home. Welcome to your computer class. Children, in this video, I am going to give some introduction to computer. Computer introduction. Every aspect of our lives in this present era has been influenced by the most advanced machine is known as computer. Yes, computer is the most advanced machine. Children, who invented the computer? Yes, Charles Babbage invented the computer. Charles Babbage is also known as the father of computer. Father of computer. The term computer derived from the word compute. The term computer derived from the word compute. Compute means to calculate. Compute means to calculate. Children, even though the name itself indicating compute means calculating, but computer is not limited for doing calculations only. Computer is not limited for doing calculations only. Computers can do many things, multiple tasks. Okay, children? Initially, computers were used by scientists and engineers for doing complex calculations. That means difficult calculations. That time, computers were very expensive also. Okay? But nowadays, the computers are affordable by small organizations as well as individuals also. Okay, children? Nowadays, all organizations are using computers because computers have many advantages. Computers have many advantages. What is a computer? What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device. A computer is an electronic device. It can store large amount of data and information. Okay, children? A computer is an electronic device that can store large amount of data and information. Computer is different from other machines, right? Is there any difference between other machines and computers? Yes, is there. We see different type of machines around us, right? Such as music system, calculator, TV, fan, etc. Most of these machines can do a single type of work. Most of these machines can do single type of work. For example, take music system. You can use a music system for listening music, right? You can use a music system for listening to music only. But coming to computer, a computer is a machine that can do different kinds of works. A computer is a machine that can do different kinds of works. A computer can do calculations. You can listen music and songs and watch movies also. You can be used to play games. A computer can be used to draw pictures also. Okay, children. The computer is different from other machines. The other machines can do a single type of work at a time. But the computer can do different types of works at a time. That's called multitasking, multitasking. Computer versus human being, computer versus human being. Let us see how a computer is different from a human being. How a computer is different from a human being. Computer can do difficult calculations within few seconds. Okay children? But human being may take hours in doing the same calculations. Computer can store large amount of data and information. Human being cannot remember lots of things. Human being cannot able to remember lots of things. Computer can do many things at the same time. Computer can do many things at the same time, but human being cannot do more than 2 or 3 things at a time. Clear? Computer does not make any mistakes. Human being make mistakes. Computer cannot think and take decisions. Okay? But human being can think and take his own decisions. These are the main differences between the computer and human beings. Clear children? Advantages of computer. Computer advantages. Computers has many advantages. Isn't it? Computers has many advantages. That's the reason in many areas we are using computers. In many areas we are using computers like schools, colleges, banks, hospitals, railway stations, airports, space and research organizations, for making some animated movies, right? Yes. Computers are used in many areas because of their advantages. First one, speed. A computer performs different tasks quickly and easily. A computer performs different tasks quickly and easily. Storage capacity. The computer can store large amount of data. The computer can store large amount of data. Calculations. A computer does difficult calculations without making any mistake. Okay children? A computer can do difficult calculations without making any mistake. Education. Computers are used for teaching in schools and colleges. Automatic working. Computer performs certain tasks automatically without requiring any human presence. Yes or no? Automatic working. Computer performs certain tasks automatically without requiring any human presence. Clear children? These are the advantages of computers. Disadvantages of computer. Computer is a wonderful machine, no doubt. Even though computers have some disadvantages. Computers have some disadvantages. The production process of the computer and the computer waste are harmful to the environment. Okay children? And people who are using computer for a long period of time, what will happen? May suffer from many problems, many health problems like headache, backache, poor eyesight, like that. And people play games. You also play games now? Yes, I know. People play games and chat with their friends for a long period of time. It results in waste of time and energy. Right? Yes. Children, these are the some disadvantages. Okay children? Hope everyone understood Thank you.